In this video, we are going to see that if we want to copy the filtered data results on the other page or other sheet, how will we do it? So in the last example, we have created a space right above the database and applied the advanced filter using some of the criterias that whatever we write here, it is able to filter the data down here. But this is the original data. Let's say that I want to keep the original data as it is. I don't want to filter this data. Rather, what I want is to be filtered data placed on the sheet 2. How will we do it? First of all, we just select whatever criterias and headings do we have, paste it here on the second sheet. Let's remove all of this from here so that this is in the original condition and always remains the same. Now just remember to stay on the page where you want to now apply the filter, and that's a very important step in applying advanced filter. Otherwise you are going to get an error. Just stay on the sheet where you are actually applying it in the new sheet. So click on data afterwards, click on advanced and select copy to another location. In the list range, you will just go back, select the complete database. Then we click on the criteria range. It will automatically move back to the sheet where you want to get the results. Just select all of the searches. Let's say I want 2 and copy 2 wherever you want the results to be pasted from. I want to put or show the filtered data from here, and that's it. Click OK and you will get the filtered results right here. Now if we check the original sheet, the original sheet is intact while this sheet is filtered out. Let's say that I want to make any changes. Instead of Chicago, I want it for Austin. So let's filter that again. Go to the data, click on advanced. Again, we select copy to another location. In the list range, we select the complete database like this. Criteria range, we will select all of this criteria, and copy to, we will choose the location, click OK. But you will notice one thing. It is not able to show the proper results. Why? Because the earlier data is already pasted. First of all, we have to clear that and then we have to reapply this. But that's a tedious job and it looks like the advanced filter is purposeless or it is too much of a hassle. But that's not the case. Here we can use macros. But first of all, I want you to apply the advanced filters this way so that you are able to place it properly on the new sheet. You just clear it manually and then try that again using the data, advanced, copy to another location. In the list range, we select the original data. Criteria range, we will select the criterias and I need to paste it from here. So you will notice that when we cleared the data, now it will show us the proper results. Here's Austin, here's New York, and all of that is perfectly shown. So first of all, just practice this, how you can place it on the other sheet, and I'll see you in the next one.